Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar, and in this video we'll be seeing how we can combine or consolidate two invoices. So first of all, let's understand what we are going to do. So what I will do, I will create two purchase order. Let's say this as PO1 and then PO2. I will complete the product receipt for both the products. Okay, and once that will be done, I will not invoice like both of them. So what I will do, at one go I will combine the invoices of both these purchase order into a single invoices. So for that, the first step is I will need to create two purchase order first. So let me quickly create two purchase order. So I'll go to accounts payable, all purchase order, and I will click on new, and here I will select a vendor. So let me go with this. I will click OK. Here I will select a product. Let me go with this one. I will say 111. Let me say the quantity as 10. I will save this and I will quickly confirm this purchase order. I will go quite faster because it's a very easy process. Now my purchase order is confirmed. I will do the product receipt. Here I will say PO136, my product receipt number. I will click OK. And now you can see the status here. So I will refresh. So your purchase order is received now. I'll quickly save this. Let me go again here. Okay. So it was, I think this was this one, 136. Okay, so let me write down here. It's PO136. Let me go again here and let me quickly open this PO and okay, here we go. Product receipt is completed. And if I will go to line, amount is 8990. Now I will quickly create one more purchase order. And let me go with this. I'll click OK. And I'll quickly add a product. I will select my site and warehouse. Let me set the quantity as 5. I will save this. I'm going to confirm my purchase order. Okay, now my purchase order is confirmed. Now I will go to my product receipt and I'll say this as PO137. And I will do this one. Sorry, PO137 purchase order. Let's see the amount here. You can go to purchase order. Let me go to invoice product receipt again. Line, so the amount is this. Okay, now like both the purchase order are ready now and they are in received status. Now I will consolidate these two purchase order. So for that I will go to invoices and I will go to pending vendor invoices here. and I will click a new. Okay, so this could be in scenario where, let's say, you are receiving the quantities in a lot or something like this, and then you want to do invoicing at a single go. So at that time you can leverage this. Now I will say that the invoice number is PO, or let me say this as 101. Okay, here I can select all the purchase order. So 136. When I will click here 136, so you will see automatically the product received and all the other information they are getting auto populate. So I can save this. Okay, and I can say update match status, so it is passed. I'll come back. So this is the one that I have created. Now I will create one more. As I need to combine two invoices, so I will need to give same invoice number, that is 101, and this time I will select my 137. So let me open my notepad. Yeah, 136 is done. Now I will go with 137, that is 4995 amount. I will save it and I will say match date status. Now if you see, their status is matched. I can combine them. I can click on edit. Okay, so now what I will do, I will simply consolidate these two invoices. Okay, here I can say invoice account. I will do consolidate, and if you will see, we'll get a new which will combine both two invoices. So here if you see, the product receipt has been changed to multiple. Also the purchase order is also multiple, and we can get information from here. And now what I can do, I can go to totals and I can see the total amount here. Okay, and if I will open this invoice now, so you can see both of them are combined now. I can update match status, it is passed, and total is also good. I can come back, I can post it now. Okay, so the posting is completed now. Okay, now you will see this is posted, but now you will not able to see because this invoice is already posted, right? See, the payment is still not done, but the invoice, like the invoices are posted. So we can go to invoices, and from here we can check our invoice journal form. And now let me do one thing. I will do a filter here from newest to oldest. Okay, and here if you see this one, the invoice 101, it is coming. So let me open this. Not this one. Let me go to lines. Okay, so you see here, like both the purchase order reference, like 136 and 137, they are there. The invoice account is this, and this is the voucher number. Here we go. We can check the accounting. If you will click on view accounting, so here you will get all the like ledger account, like all the ledger related information. Okay, and let me go back. And here one more thing, if you will go to your purchase order, so purchase order was 136 and 137. So let me go to my purchase order 136 and 137. If you see now, the status for both of them have been changed. And if you'll go to invoices, okay, here, and if you'll go to lines, so you will see the reference here. And similarly, if you will go to 136, there also you will get the same invoice. Go to lines, here also you see all the information is same. So this is how we can consolidate two invoices into one. Thanks for watching this video.